Yo guys, it's Badger here. Today we're gonna have a look at this keyboard, and as you can see here, it is a small keyboard, and I think they call it micro keyboard or something, or mini keyboard, and has different keys, as you can see as well, that you can actually choose from. Right now we have black and white because we also have the panda on here on our spacebar. As you see, compared to the normal keyboard, it is pretty small and it is still doing a pretty good job. It has also LED lighting effects here, as you can see. Right now we have the responsive one where when you push a button something happens. You can change that up as well. So feel free to check that out and experience what it actually can do. And as you push here, you see there's like the responsive ones. I think these look pretty good. To keep in mind, the letters themselves don't let light shine through, so it's more like a backlighting effect. The keys itself, they don't let it come through, and yeah, I'm pretty happy. I'm liking it, and I think it's pretty cute. If you ask me, this one is reacting to music and sound, um, so that's kind of cool to see as well. But really depends what you're liking, I guess. After all, anyhow, this is a mechanical keyboard. There's some nice clicky switches under there, um, and yeah, it really depends if you like cuteness or not, because it definitely is a little bit more of a cute one. Then we also have like a complete shine, which we can choose from here. So you can see, looking pretty decent though, like really bright colors for sure. Um, and yeah, the fonts is interesting. Let's try and get the key out here. Or maybe not, I don't know. But I know, I'm not the biggest fan of the font that they choose to use for letters, especially like the Q does not look like it is the same font as the other keys, but maybe I'm just confused or something. The panda is kind of cute, liking that, um, but you have to choose yourself if that's something you like, and you can also replace it, obviously. Like there's pretty much a bunch of keys that will fit on this keyboard anyway. So if you're not too happy with this layout here, you can change that up. I think it looks good, but like I said, it's my preference. And I think we can call it a day, right? So my name is Badger. I will see you around in the next video. And until then, take care and yeah, have a good one. And now I'm out. Bye bye.